Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Jibble beginner tutorial. Getting started with Jibble is quick and easy. Simply head to their website, click Start Now, and sign up using your Google account or email. It's completely free. Once you're in, you can either accept an invite link from your admin or create your own organizations from scratch. Choose the features that suit your needs, like tracking attendance, project hours, payroll, or just personal time, and set them up in a few clicks. After setup, you can clock in and out through the web, mobile app, or a kiosk with options such as selfie verification, geofencing for automatic check-ins, and speed mode for quick kiosk use. Jibble also provides detailed timesheets, easy to read reports, and powerful productivity tools to help you and your team stay organized. Whether you're managing a group or tracking time solo, Jibble is flexible, beginner friendly, and built to make time management effortless. Try it today and streamline the way you work. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.